Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to calculate instantaneous acceleration given the equation of velocity. So in this question we have that the velocity v of a particle in a time t is given by the equation. This is the equation. And so we're asked to find the instantaneous acceleration after 5 seconds. So we have solution. So the first thing is for us to get the equation of the velocity. So we have v equal to 10 plus 2t squared. Of course, we know that to determine acceleration, that the formula for acceleration is velocity over time. So we can say that acceleration A equal to change in velocity all over change in time. And so this implies that we have to differentiate velocity with respect to time in order to determine our instantaneous acceleration. So we are going to be applying differentiation. However, we know that the general rule for differentiation is ax raised to power n, and this can be expressed as n times ax raised to power n minus 1, and this will be n ax raised to power n minus 1. So we are going to apply that in differentiating this velocity with respect to time in this equation. So if we are to say the a equal to dv dt, which is equal to, note whenever you differentiate, 10 is a constant, so whenever you differentiate a constant it will give you 0 plus, and now we have 2t squared. So in differentiating 2t squared, we are going to apply the rule, the general rule of this differentiation. So this is going to be 2 times 2t raised to power 2 minus 1, just the way this was. So we are going to have 2 times 2t raised to power 2 minus 1. So this is going to give us 0 plus 2 times 2t will give us 4t. 2 minus 1 is 1. And so we know that 4t raised to power 1 is the same thing as 4t. So we can now say that our acceleration, this 0, we ignore it, equal to 4t. But remember that in the question, time t was given to be 5 seconds. So if we say at t equal to 5 seconds, we can now bring in the value of t into this equation so that we have our a equal to 4 times 5, which will give us 20. And of course, we know that acceleration is measured in meter per second squared. So we have meter per second squared. So viewers, basically this is how to determine instantaneous acceleration of a particle when the equation of the velocity is given. Thank you.